Practice progressively the 9 methods of mental abiding until you achieve the one-pointedness of a mind of the desire realm. You can look at and focus upon the Buddha Śākyamuni's body in general in order to obtain the noble Dharma and pacify dullness. Focus particularly on the uṣṇīṣa, the crown on the Buddha's head, the limit of which is impossible to see. In order to obtain samadhi and pacify agitation, you can concentrate directly on the enlightened mind's glorious knot which is at the Buddha's heart center. To accomplish great merit and gain happiness, you can concentrate on the appearance of the coil of hair between the Buddha's eyebrows, which is white as snow or conch and curls to the right. In order to make the great melodious sound of Dharma, and to benefit sentient beings by teaching the Dharma, fix your mind on the form of the throat.